Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech. And boy, have I got some interesting news for you. TikTok has announced a couple features that YouTube might not like. Stick with me and I'll let you know what those features are, as well as why TikTok has decided to release them. The first feature that TikTok has added is an increased video limit of 15 minutes, but only in select regions and with select people. They're being very hush-hush with the specifics. TikTok initially earned its rep through short-form 15-second videos. Then it increased it to 60 seconds, followed by 3 minutes, and then 10 minutes. And now, 15. This 15-minute jump is showing that TikTok sees the utility in longer form videos like those found on YouTube. And who knows, maybe in the future we'll see it remove the limit altogether, putting it in even more direct competition with YouTube. The second feature TikTok recently added is horizontal full screen videos, showing that the Chinese company is not afraid at all to compete with YouTube. These features will be great for creators who target the desktop-laptop crowd and need a slightly longer time frame for their more detail-oriented videos. But not everyone will celebrate the new limit increase, because TikTok is known for its entertaining short-form content. That's what people found so appealing about it in the first place. For the users who can't stomach sitting through an entire 15-minute video, TikTok recently added the ability to fast forward by holding down the right side of the video. There's no set date as to when TikTok plans on rolling out the limit increase and the horizontal videos to all users, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments. What do you think about these new TikTok features? Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.